Okay, so I just took the whole piece off. I'm gonna put some chocolate back here, and I'll have to hold this for a second or two until it sets. Second to half hour, something like that. But that's gonna have to be set on there before I can start the next step. I want to be careful of, hitting that too much because I don't want to lose that detail there on the head, because I need that, because I can't do faces. Well, I guess I shouldn't say I can't do faces. I don't like to, and I haven't really put a lot of effort into it. Okay, that looks like it's on there. And then what we will do is go ahead and add some more. And get this skinny piece, I'm gonna put that in there since I have it. He's looking sexy. Oh boy, especially with this big chunk taken out of him. All right, more cereal treats. So you can make these yourself, or I actually just bought a box of ready-made ones. Scrunch it, and I need to put this right in there. And then right down in here. All right, there we go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of modeling chocolate. All right, so it's quite a bit firm. You can microwave it for a little bit, but make sure that you don't do it too long or it gets way too soft. I'm just going to kind of flatten it out here. And just kind of spread this out. That's going to keep all that stuff together. You can also use the coating chocolate. It's just a little bit more on the messy side. Now, I don't have to worry too much about the smoothness because he's going to have his hair. Mainly want to make sure it's not going to fall off. That's my goal here. So I want to kind of take this piece, flatten it, and then go from underneath here and lift that puppy up. So you just want to make sure that in this right here between the two that you get that to bond to that headpiece, the face plaque. Okay, and all of this is going to be fine here, so I'm not even going to worry about that. Hi. I know he looks weird. Trust. It's all about the trust. You trust me? Huh? Huh? All right. Got to clean up, and we are going to cover the face with some flesh tone and go on from there. Okay, I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to put some shortening on the back of this. The choice was to put shortening on the back of the fondant here or to put it on the face. If I put it on the face, then I could put like too much in where the eyes are, and then it wouldn't, come out quite as well. So make sure that you get it basically up on here and over. This is, more than what you're going to use. And then bring it around the back, like so. And then kind of work your way down. That way, if there's any air pockets, we can get those out. Now his eyes, he's going to have those goggles on, so I don't have to worry too much. What I'm going to do though to help alleviate some air pockets, let me just use this, is to just cut, and then the air will actually come out. Wow, it's kind of sick, huh? Sick and twisted. Okay, here. Like there was an air pocket there, so I need to try to work that out. Work it, baby, work it.